In 1955,
Oh my
years a man
gosh!
named Walt Disney dreamt of a magic kingdom.
Karisanan.
To all who come to this happy place, welcome. Disneyland is your land. Here age relives fond memories of the past, and here you may savor the challenging promise of the future. Disneyland is dedicated to the ideals, the dreams, and the hard facts that have created America, with the hope that it will be a source of joy and inspiration to all the world.
Tinkerbell, Tinkerbell.
Your attention, please. The Disneyland Limited, now leaving for a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom.
Disneyland's Main Street Electrical Parade.
It's showtime!
All the birds sing bird and the flowers grow. Goodness. Mon ami.
The gods have been angered by all the celebrating.